Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make dal makhani. Soak 1 cup whole black lentils and 1/4 cup kidney beans overnight, then rinse well before cooking. Begin by simmering beans until tender, then prepare a tomato and onion base with garlic, ginger, and warm spices. Finish by slow simmering with butter and cream for a silky texture, and adjust salt and spice to taste. Serve with hot naan or steamed rice. I'll guide you through simple spice steps to build authentic flavor. Toast cumin and coriander seeds briefly, then grind for fresher flavor. Sauté onions until golden, adding garlic and ginger for depth. Add tomatoes and simmer until oil separates, then stir in garam masala and cream toward the end. Balance heat with chili and richness with butter or ghee. Taste and adjust seasoning before simmering again to melt. Slow cooking is key for dal makhani's creamy texture. Cook the dal low and slow for at least 45 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Use a heavy pot or pressure cooker on low heat to break down fibers without losing body. Mash a portion of the cooked lentils to thicken naturally. Keep tasting and adjust cream, butter, and spice levels before serving for best balance and allow flavors to marry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.